Lie on your bench with your barbell over your chest and palms facing away from you with hands positioned shoulder width apart. Keep your elbows in place as you inhale and bring the barbell close to your forehead. Exhale as you return it to its original position, keeping your core engaged and neck relaxed. Repeat with good form through programmed repetitions. The barbell skull crusher is a solid exercise to hit your triceps and teach you some control in your lats and core. I've got a barbell, and if I do it right, it won't live up to its name. Let's check it out. So in the barbell skull crusher, control of your barbell is key. Obviously, you don't want to drop it on your head, and Katie is doing an amazing job of that. Notice also when she's coming back, she keeps her elbows in the same place that she started. They're nice and close together, and they're not flaring out, and they're not moving while she's doing the exercise itself. She's got a nice burn in the triceps, right? You got a nice burn in the triceps?
Yep.
That's what we wanted. All right, keep it up. You're doing good.